Hello friends, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Before we begin our journey, let us know the structure of skin in detail. Skin is the largest organ of the body. It constitutes to 16 to 20% of the body weight. We have thickest skin on palms and sole, whereas the skin on the under eyes and the upper eyelids are thinnest. There are two types of skin, hairy skin and non-hairy skin. Skin is divided into three basic layers: epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. The uppermost layer is epidermis, middle layer is dermis, and the lowermost layer is hypodermis. Epidermis is the outermost layer covering the body. It contains no blood vessel. It is made up of stratified epithelial cells. It contains 80% keratinocytes and other cells like melanocytes, Langerhans, and Merkel cells. Its thickness varies from 0.4 to 1.5 mm. Epidermis is made up of 5 layers from bottom to top: stratum germinativum, stratum spinosum, stratum granulosum, stratum lucidum, and stratum corneum. Stratum germinativum. It is the lowermost layer. It is a living layer which receives blood supply from the dermis. New cells are continuously formed in this layer, pushing the older cells upward. 1 in 10 cell is melanocyte, which produce melanin, which gives color to the skin. Stratum spinosum. It contains cells with thick bundle of tonofilament made up of pre-keratin. Stratum granulosum. Cells are flattened, organelles are deteriorating, cytoplasm is filled with granules which release lipids, saturated fatty acid, cholesterol, and ceramides. It also contains keratohyalin granules which reflect light and gives a shiny appearance to the skin. Keratinization takes place in this layer. Cells actively divide and differentiate. Keratinocytes. Keratinocytes mainly generate keratin, which fills the cells. It is an insoluble protein and thus it provides the skin its protective function. Stratum lucidum. It is a clear, glossy layer of dead skin cells. It reduces friction between the stratum granulosum and stratum corneum. It also acts as a water barrier. Stratum corneum. Cells are dead and keratinized in this layer. Its function is to keep the skin waterproof. It also prevents the skin from cracking and protecting it against the bacterial infection. It takes 30 days for the cells to be reproduced in the stratum germinativum and move upwards to replace the cells on the skin surface. Dermis. Dermis is also known as true skin. It is mainly divided into two layers. Uppermost layer is the papillary layer and the lowermost layer is the reticular layer. Papillary layer contains more of elastin and less of collagen fibers. Elastin provides tone and elasticity to the skin. Reticular layer contains more of collagen and less of elastin. It also contains hair follicle, sweat gland, sebaceous gland, erector pili muscle, fat cells, and blood vessels. Collagen gives mechanical and structural integrity to the skin. As the skin ages, collagen decreases, resulting in loose skin, causing wrinkles, lines, pigmentation, and saggy skin. Sun exposure results in depletion of collagen. Hypodermis, it is also known as subcutaneous layer. It is made up of adipose tissue. It gives smoothness and contour to the body. It stores fat for use as energy. It serves as an insulating layer. It acts as a protective cushion for epidermis and dermis. Thank you for watching, guys. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.